How to fix Signal private messenger not working. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of 1-2-step. If you're also having this issue where you're not able to use your Signal private messenger, then in this video I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can fix this issue. Now if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into the video. Now this happens due to a couple of reasons. Maybe there's just a bug in the system of Signal, or there's a glitch on your phone, or lastly the Signal application may be down. So in the first case, if there is any bugs which may causing the issue, you can try to update your Signal app. Open up your Play Store, search for Signal, and then you can tap on update if there are any new updates. Updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing the issue. Now secondly, even if you update your app of Signal, your problem is still not fixed. The second thing that you can do is completely uninstall Signal from your application. So just remove Signal app from your phone, and once the app has been removed, again download the application through the Play Store and then log into your account. This is a great way of fixing glitches which may be on your device. So if it is a glitch which may be causing that issue, your problems will be immediately fixed. Now lastly, if the system of Signal is down or the app of Signal is down, there is nothing that you can do about it, and until Signal themselves fixes the issue, you will not be able to use Signal app in general. So you'll need to just wait out a couple of hours before they fix the issues. And after a couple of hours, you should be able to use your Signal app, and your problems which you were facing should be fixed. So those are the 3 solutions that you can try out in order to fix Signal private app not working. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.